Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to do a tuna salad. So what you need is 5 cans of salad, and I'm using 5, and we're just going to open them. I like to use 5, but you can use more. But yeah, so I'm going to let you guys go so you guys can see how I open the cans. Okay, now in this section, I like to rinse my tuna just because I don't like the taste of fish. So I just get all the cans and just put them in a drainer, like the one that I have right now. And I'm just gonna wash it because I just don't like the taste of it. But if you guys like the taste of tuna, you definitely could skip this part. But if you don't like it like I do, you can just do what I do. And I just rinse it off and just taste. It just doesn't, it goes away. So, yeah, so this is what I'm doing. I just wash it really good with my hands. So that fish taste is just, it's just gross. So now in this section, I like to put my tuna with salad. So I have a salad here that I'm about to show you. And what I do is just grab my chopper, like the lettuce chopper, and I just put it in a blender, and I'm just gonna chop it off easy. You can do however you want to. You don't have to do what I'm doing, but I just don't like the lettuce to be very big. I like it to be very chopped. That's just how I like it. So it's just lettuce, but um you can add tomato, you can add what else? You can add whatever you guys want to add. But I like to just put lettuce. So I'm just chopping all the lettuce that I have. I also have there some carrots. So you can most definitely put some carrots in there. So yeah, so this is what I'm doing. I'm just chopping off lettuce and stuff. So continue to watch. Now I just grab the bowl. I left it with water. So I rinsed it off and then I put it in a bowl and I put it in water and just put it aside and I just cut the lettuce. But right now what I'm doing is just putting it back to where the drainer. I don't know, I don't have no idea what those things called, but I'm putting it back. I'm washing it again just to make sure that I did take all the fish taste out. So so yeah. So I'm just draining it, make sure that all the water is out, and just squeeze it with your hands like I'm doing right here. And yeah, continue. Alrighty, so now that everything is drained, everything is nice and clean and stuff, I just put it in a bowl. And here's the chopped lettuce. So now I'm just gonna put the lettuce inside the tuna in a bowl and just mix it all together, make it look nice and beautiful, and yeah, just make sure all the lettuce is out, and yeah, make it nice and beautiful. So now here I'm using a sour cream. This sour cream is really good. You can use either sour cream you want, but I'm using the sour cream. This comes with salt. So I like to use a lot. As you guys can see, I almost finished the bottle. I like to use a lot of sour cream, and also using mayo. So I have a little bit of mayo here, and I'm just finish up the whole mayo. So gonna have some mayo there. There's my mother passing by while I'm cooking, and she's saying hello to my viewers. So yeah, so I just added a bunch of sour cream and mayo. I don't like mayo a lot, so I just love sour cream. So I just kind of used the whole bottle, but I didn't use the whole bottle. I just used a little bit. But yeah, it's just mixing it together, making sure that everything is mixed with sour and mayo. And yeah, so continue watching. Now here I'm going to use black pepper because I like using black pepper. You can use whatever you guys want to use. If you guys want to use paprika to make it a little spicy, I don't measure the black pepper. I just put it in my hand and just pinch it with my fingers, and then just add some, not a lot. And the next is salt. Um, I do I do the same. I just measure it with my hands and just add the salt, and just put the salt back because we need some salt. Yeah. So after that, just mix it. Make sure that the black pepper and the salt are mixed together. So yeah. So I'm just mixing, and mixing. Give it a little taste. See if it tastes good. Let's see. Let's see. Um, let's see. No, it wasn't good. It needed more salt. So let's add more salt to the tuna. Don't add too much salt because it's going to be very salty. And that's not bueno. That's not good. So yeah, I'm just mixing it here all together, making sure that everything is delicious. Let's see, taste. Let me see, let me see. Oh, there you go. Perfect. So that was good. So this is how it came out. I really hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys did, make sure to give a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.